So,
So you can speak Cantonese, right?
Hi, Ayanfendara.
少少. I can speak
Oh,
Cantonese too sometimes. My mom is Hong Kong, so yeah, I can speak Cantonese a little bit.
oh, fantastic.
Yeah, that's why I
Great.
choose Coin W because a lot of Chinese, a lot of my, yeah.
Oh, so you the portfolio image is you?
Yeah, that's me.
Oh, very cute.
Thank you. Maybe when I got my webcam, I'm gonna show my face next time,
Okay,
like the others. So I don't have webcam because like I never think like I'm gonna show my face. I never think like there is gonna be like a live stream like this before. So I never prepare.
great. Looking forward it.
So most of you is Chinese, right? Like Miles, and others.
No,
I
I'm
don't
from
know, but
India.
I know Mao is from China, yeah.
Ah, okay.
And actually, Mao, I think he is in Beijing as well.
I love Beijing, but it's too cold right now. It's too cold.
It's
So our
frozen.
live is right now. We are
Yeah,
live right now.
很冷
Okay,
啊. Okay,
We are live right now. Okay.
okay.
Mhm.
shall we start, Mouse?
Sorry. I think Dylan
Boris.
and Boris is not coming in. So yeah, okay, Boris coming in.
Oh, that's great.
Maybe could we just wait Dylan for 1 minute?
Sure.
Okay.
Sure,
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
no worries.
Yeah, I think Dylan is
Hi.
coming in.
Hi.
All right, Cheryl. So we can start now. Yeah.
Okay. Hey everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all my friends. I'm Cheryl. It's very exciting to host the crypto market insight session with our guests. And today we are really happy to have with us our guests who will be sharing their opinions on the market trends. And as the host of today's discussion, I'll be leading us through a thought-provoking conversation that promises to be both informative and engaging. So whatever you are an experienced crypto user or just getting started, we encourage you to sit back, relax, and join us for what is sure to be a really enlightening discussion on this week's market performance, trends, and hotspots. The live session is broadcasting on CoinW live channel and CoinW's YouTube channel together, and welcome all to watch and leave your opinions or questions about market, coins, etc. in the comment, and our guests will pick up some to answer. So let's go. Welcome, JohnLee, Ayanfendara. Am I pronounced in the right way? Crypto Bunny and Boris, Dylan, and JayCryptoBeast. Welcome. And I saw because John and Boris, Dylan, and Jay, they are really, really our old friends. So let's say hi to our audience. Hello, Boris. We really miss you because the last time we didn't see you, and we really, really miss you. Hi,
Yeah,
Boris.
it's good to be back. How are you?
Yeah, great. So Ayanfendara, am I pronouncing in the right way? Hi, would you like to introduce yourself first?
Everyone. My name is Ayanfendara, and I have been in the crypto space for a while now, with over 5 years experience, and I've witnessed the bull market and the bear market for two consecutive terms. Yeah, thank you very much, and glad to be here.
Thank you. Can I call you Anya for short? Do you mind? I call
right.
you in.
No problem, just go ahead, no problem.
Okay, thank you. Also, Crypto Bunny, hi.
Hi, Cheryl. How are you?
Hi, it's been great. How about you?
I'm
Please
amazing.
introduce.
Thank you very much. So, hi everyone. Very good evening from India. So, I'm very excited for this live session today. Actually, I'm a crypto analyst for past 3 years and having a crypto experience on this market over experience of around 5 years. And mostly I do crypto analysis and project research over all the platforms and exchanges. So this is today I am very excited for this live stream as well. So let's see and let's discuss some amazing topic today. And nice to
Okay.
meet you all.
Nice to meet you, Crypto Bunny. Bunny, cute bunny, right?
Bye.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. And Boris, Dylan, Jay, and John. Please say hi to our audience.
Well,
Hi.
How's it going?
hey guys, how is it going? What up? What up?
How's everyone going?
Okay, very nice people, very nice. Okay, welcome. We're really happy to have you here with us today. So, let's drive in the next part is about market review and gainer, also loser coins. In this part, we'd like our guests to point out the top 3 performing and underperforming cryptocurrencies of this week. Additionally, we also kindly request the market insights on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies you want to talk about. And please be free to share the screen to let us watch your charts. Who wanna be the first? Dylan? I feel you're already prepared.
Yeah. I was seeing if anyone else would go first, but I'll go first. Okay.
Yeah, it's early here, so I'll let
Boy.
Dylan go first.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so I want to quickly speak about obviously Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then I'll go over some coins that I've been looking at for the week. So this is my higher time frame perspective of Bitcoin. So basically, to make it quite easy to see, we have that 30K level that Bitcoin, obviously broke above, and we destroy that level. And our next level that I'm looking at is 45 to 47K, because if you look left here, it's been a very reactive zone. So we had a support over there, and then we flipped into resistance, and then the same with here. So 47 to 45K is the next level for Bitcoin. But if you check on the smaller time frames, like the 4-hour time frame, I did actually take a long today for Bitcoin. I did actually have a breakout, so I'm expecting price to obviously come up to this level. And yeah, so overall quite bullish on Bitcoin. I still think that Bitcoin is going to go up within today, so we'll see. But yeah, it's up. We'll have to see on the chart. I want to go over Ethereum quickly. So if you look at Ethereum, obviously we had that massive dump over here. You liquidated a lot of long positions, but overall it's still bullish on the higher time frame, right? It's creating higher highs and higher lows over here. This would only be bearish if we start closing below 2000. So overall still bullish on Ethereum, looking at a target of like $2,500, which is this key level here back in so I can't see at the bottom here, back in 2022 March. So 2,500 is definitely the key level for Ethereum, and that's what I'll be looking at for the next couple of days. A few coins that I want to highlight for the week is Render. This coin has been pumping, and I've been buying this coin on spot a while ago at like $2, but essentially, if you look at the weekly time frame, it's still got quite a bit to go. And the all-time high of this coin, I believe, is $8. And you can see the weekly candles very, very strong. So I can definitely see this getting back up to $7 within the next couple of weeks. It broke this key level. There is still 3 days until the weekly candle does close, but I mean it's a very strong volume candle, and I'm expecting price to reach around about 7 or 8 within the next couple of weeks. And then the next coin I want to speak about is this is a coin. It's for spot more so AT&T, but essentially this coin, it's helium, right? And they actually have a mobile plan in the US. So basically they've connected with T-Mobile, which is like a broadband plan in the US. And essentially what you can do is you can buy, if you have helium, you can buy mobile packages and routers and put them into your house, and obviously use those hotspots to hotspot other people that have helium. And then if you do that, you earn rewards of helium. So this coins, they were in beta, and now that they've gone public, it's started to pump around about 16%. And then also if you look at mobile, it's like the subset of helium. It's up 141% in the last 24 hours. So this coin, obviously, I think it's gonna have a long run in the bull run. So I'm gonna be holding this for the next couple years, not weeks, years. But yeah, that's pretty much what I have. Overall, quite bullish on the market. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. It's very awesome. Okay, I will already take my note. RNDR and helium.
Helium, trust me.
Helium. Okay, helium. Thank you very much. Boris would like to be the next one.
Sure. So yeah, that was cool, Dylan. I actually didn't know about Helium being partnered with T-Mobile, because that's actually my cell phone provider. So
Okay.
I'm gonna look into that.
Yeah, you can definitely do something with that.
Yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna start off with Ordi. So last week I kind of drew this, I guess this like triangle or wedge pattern, or however you want to call it. And then it went on a massive rally. So this is just zooming in. Then if you zoom out, it's like, I don't know, it went up like 100. Let me check how much. 100, almost 200% in 2 weeks. So, I wasn't expecting such a big move, but this is what happens when, an asset breaks from a triangle or from a trend line. So this is one of my top trades of the week. So yeah, this one's pretty cool. And then the other one that I'm looking at was Tia, which is basically pretty similar. Had a kind of like a blue sky breakout. I think, as long as I'm not looking at an old chart. Anyway, it broke out from this high and then just keeps making new highs. So I like trading anything that essentially, makes a new high and just keeps going higher. So it's a pretty simple trade. And then those are really like my top coins. There's no real like losers. Like everything's been pretty bullish for the most part. As far as like Bitcoin and Ethereum go, I pretty much I agree with Dylan, so I have nothing further to add there. So yeah, those are like my top coins for the past week.
Thank you so much. Yeah, Tia and Ordi also my choices as well. And today we will have a really interesting question about sets, because it has been listed on the Binance. Yeah, so we have really an interesting question about it. Thank you, Boris. And next, who wanted to share? John, Critical Bunnies, Jay, Anya.
Okay. Okay, I won't be sharing my screen, but let me just use bonds analysis to actually, please, can you just go back to the Bitcoin analysis charts, please? Can you just show me the Bitcoin charts?
Wait, how do I unshare my screen? I can't see.
You're currently sharing your screen. You're currently sharing your screen, so you can just show me the Bitcoin charts. So I just want to show something.
Okay, I think. Can you share your screen? Oh.
Okay. How about like you cut off your screen?
Yeah. I think you can do it now.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna let JohnLee to do my Bitcoin. Okay, John?
Okay, all right.
Okay, I think I got you. Okay, you want Bitcoin, John?
Yeah, Bitcoin.
Okay, here we go. Which time frame?
You can just use this. Actually, fine. It's fine. It's fine.
This is weekly.
4 hours time frame.
Because mine is kind of messy. Okay, I'm gonna tell you. Because like yeah, okay.
All right. So basically, based on this chart currently, we can see the way the market is currently moving. And one point we need to actually look at is that you can see the market is still like
trying to struggling at a kind of around 43,000 plus thereabouts. It's going at 43,313. You can see how the market has actually been in that local resistance zone. So now, currently my prediction on the Bitcoin market is I'm actually looking at the Bitcoin actually aiming for 45,000. I'm going to expecting the Bitcoin market to actually go up to 45,000 and all that. But you can see currently it's still struggling at a kind of a local resistance, which is around 43,000 thereabouts. But if the market is not ready to break that is ready to break this resistance zone that we're seeing, then we're likely seeing the market heading down to 38,000. Yeah. We might likely see the market actually ending down to 38,000 when looking at the market movement. And but positively, I'm looking at the market still getting up to ending the year around 45,000 before we see kind of reaches. But if that does not happen, then we might likely see the market coming down up to 38,000 when looking at the market movement. So that is actually my prediction on the Bitcoin market. And similarly to the ETH market, we might likely see the ETH market getting up to ETH market. We might likely see the ETH market getting up to 2,500. That is actually my prediction. The Bitcoin market heading up to 2,500 when looking at the market. It's currently at 2,285. So I'm still currently expecting a move towards 2,500 in the market. Personally, so that is actually my view on the Bitcoin market. And also, project that I'm actually SAT. I was surprised when I was actually reading that I saw SAT as part of it. I was currently holding, and it has actually done with pretty well. SAT has actually done pretty well, even though entirely the BRC20 tokens are actually doing well. A lot of money is really being pumped into the market, and most of the projects, like when you see most days, you see more green days than red days, is a very strong sign to know that, oh yes, most of these projects are actually doing well and all that. So currently, if I will list out any token, give me a minute, let me check my charts. If I actually list out any token to hold, I'm actually looking at where is it again? Ordinance. Yeah, Ordinance token is actually one token to actually look out for. AC, that is also another good project. It has actually done well, but if you actually want to, Ordinance is actually still going to pump more. I'm still expecting more pumping. We'll be surprised. My projection for Ordinance actually getting to 100. I'm actually looking at 100. That I'm like looking at for the bull market and all that. That is actually my projection on Ordinance. And there are actually some interesting tokens that have actually done well, even though BSwap is actually part of the you can actually check it out. BISO swap is currently doing massive. It has actually done 61% thereabouts currently in the market, and is also is actually part of what it's actually on my watch list. I'm actually looking out for it because it actually has a very good use case, and it's really doing pretty well when looking at the market. Tron is also another project that we can actually also look out for, and RIO, that is RIO, is also another project that we can actually look out for. Well, basically all those projects are actually projects that you can actually hold for a long term, looking at next is already around the corner, looking at a lot of things, money pumping into the market, and all those projects are actually good projects that we can actually look out for. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Thank you, John. It's really helpful. Really, yeah, thank you so much. Jay, would you like to be the next sharing?
I will be happy. Okay, I'm gonna continue for Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin. I'm gonna turn on my messy chart back. Hold on. Where's my okay? So this is Bitcoin on the daily. I think on Sunday I mentioned on Dylan group like because Dylan mentioned there's gonna be what is that?
Mhm.
There is a what is that called, Dylan? I forgot.
Which one?
On Sunday, like the one that I told you, there is gonna be like a new moon, like you mentioned something. I forgot.
Oh, in the group.
Yeah. I think it's a fee.
I have.
Yeah. I
Yes, yes.
think the minus fee because and I mentioned to Dylan like we got the new moon on Tuesday. Okay, actually we got like this is a bull flag. Okay, before this is a bull flag, and right away we got the bearish engulfing. Okay, we got the bearish engulfing right away, and this is for my strategy. This is the local top of the new moon. Okay, and this is the this is the new moon bottom, which is in here. So if you can see 1 2 3 4, so usually like it's in between 1 until 7 candles. I cannot tell you why because like this is so complex, the strategy is so complex, but usually it's in from the local top to local bottom. It's gonna be like 1 until 7 candles. So we got like 1 2 3 4. So this is the local bottom for now. This is the local bottom, and this is the new moon. We got the new moon, and everyone thinking like this is a bearish engulfing. Yeah. Sorry. Bearish bull flag. Bear flag. Okay. But let's check if this a bear flag. So where is my list? Okay, it's covered up. So a real bear flag, we're not gonna pass 0.5 area. Okay, so this is the area like for bear flag, 0.5. If we go past above that, it's not a bear flag anymore. So I'm so bullish on this. So like I told you last week, I'm so bullish. I'm not gonna short until this area. Okay, I'm not gonna short. I'm just gonna be a degen long until 48, maybe like a week until like a week 50K or something. And okay, let's move on. On the CME, everyone is talking about this. Okay, everyone is on the Twitter is talking about this one. You know, like we're gonna hit we're gonna hit the CME gap, blah, 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 but everyone don't talk about the 10 minutes on CME gap. Like they don't mention like we also got a gap in here, guys. See, we got a gap in here. Like everyone is focusing to short, and then like we're gonna go like 40 39 38. That's what everyone's saying. Like the more everyone's saying that, the more I'm gonna long. Because like I'm gonna counter them all. Like I mean like the more everywhere the more everyone is gonna like thinking like we're gonna go this area. So yeah, I think like the whales, the market maker, I think gonna do the opposite way, which is I think around here. So it's kind of makes sense. So our target is going to be like 44K until like 44,800 ish. So this is our short-term target. Okay, let's move on it. I detect something on it. Okay, I'm still so bullish on it. Really bullish on it. Okay, I'm gonna move to this one. Okay. Okay. Like I told you last time, like on the weekly, I got a cipher on it. So at least it's gonna feel like a half on it on the cipher. So my target on it in between this 2.8 and 3,300. I've been accumulated it for so long, so I'm not gonna keeping around 2,500. No, I'm not gonna. At least when it reach around 2,800, so I think I'm gonna TP some and 3,300. So that's my area for it. And next, so for the OP, the overperform, like I got so much. So bear with me, guys. I got so much. Yeah, I agree with you guys. I'm so bullish with Audi. I just long before the live stream. This is my long. So like I told you last week, I'm gonna wait until the trend is break. Okay, which is this trend, the one that I mentioned you guys last week. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait until it's break, which is we just got break before we doing the live, and it's gonna retest this trend line. So yeah, if this go around like 656, you guys can enter. Like the stop loss is kind of high risk because like this is Digen trade. Okay, this is not not for you guys playing with. This is Digen trade. Okay, the stop loss you see is 21%. Okay, and the target is 73%. So it's kind of Digen. Okay, and I got TRB because I'm a Degen trader. I love Degen. I love high risk stuff. Really, I love high risk stuff. And let's say TRB is where it's gonna pull back around 107. That's your entry because I'm so bullish on this. I'm so bullish on this. Okay, I think Say is everyone still remembering on Say from our previous. I'm still bullish on Say. I'm still really bullish, and it just broke the trend line. Let me check. So we got head and shoulder. Okay, possibility head and shoulder, but I don't think this is gonna play out. I think it's gonna break the right shoulder. So when there is a head and shoulder, when it's break, the power is twice more harder. So when this one is break, so I think Say is gonna go crazy. Okay, I'm gonna go FE because like okay, I got some narrative for this week, maybe on the weekend or next week or 2 weeks. I got DeFi. I got DeFi narrative, guys. So check out on DeFi, any DeFi, because like I thought, if you guys can see here, DeFi is so bullish right now. No, not on top hour. You see here, DeFi is so bullish right now because like we are on the fourth wave on the daily. We got like, okay, I'm gonna close it. This is a elite wave, first wave, and then second. Oh, this is sorry, this is auto. Oh no, that's the main. Oh, this is the main. The blue one is the main. First wave, second, and we got the third. Okay, this is the main one, the big one. The impulsive one is the third one. This one, the blue one, not the green one. And we got the fourth. I think we are done with the fourth, and I think we're gonna go for the fifth. So
Wow.
watch out on the DeFi, guys. DeFi. So I'm bullish on DeFi. Like I told you guys last time, I got Dino, I got games or something, but this time I'm going for DeFi. My aim is on DeFi, but if you guys trading on CoinW, so my bet is on ETH, EAV. I haven't set this market up, but if you can see on the daily, it's same. It's same with the total DeFi cap. Fourth wave, fifth wave. And I don't think fifth wave around here. I think the fifth wave is gonna be like around 130. So watch out on DeFi. Okay. Usually DeFi is gonna play on the weekend. The weekend manipulation pump. Because when you trading on the weekend, there is like some crazy bumps like 50, 60. So I think if it's play out, it's gonna be on the weekend. So the underperform one, I'm gonna go for DYDX. So if you guys can see here on the weekly, now it's not performing well yet, guys, and it just got a token unlocked, I think, a couple days ago. So I'm longing on DYDX just now before we went to live. I gave to my group, so this is my area for DYDX. So yeah, maybe you guys can copy this. And okay, I'm still bullish on Ethereum Cash. Okay, this not performing well because it's waiting for the mama Ethereum. It's waiting for it. So when it perform, this is gonna go crazy, guys. So we still on the nearly double bottom on. You know, this is still early, guys. This is still early. You guys still can like doing something on this. You know, when this perform, okay, I think that's gonna be too late. Okay, that's it. That's my analysis. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Jay. Very provoking sharing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Actually, about the AAVE, we have very similar question of it because the price of AVAX continue. Oh, it's AVAX, right? Sorry about that.
EFE.
Sorry about that.
Yeah.
Also, I noted that none of them are Solana.
Because Solana is still performing well because like I'm Degen. I need a higher return, you know, because Solana, like I've been riding Solana since October when it was like 20. I still got my Solana, and I don't recommend you guys to buy because like Mine is 20. If you guys buy it now, it's 70. Like that's not like a good price to buy, you know. I still got it like from 20. So that's why I don't recommend it. So better the digital one like say FE, ORD, and TRB. Okay.
Got it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Who wanna be the next to share something? The crypto bunny? Hi, bunny.
Hi.
Hi, would you like to share something?
Yes. I was looking for like Solana. I was very much. Let me
Oh,
share my screen.
okay.
Okay. So let me share. So I hope you can see right now. Okay. So to, I was expecting this over let me show you guys over 1 week time frame. I was trading over Solana from $21. Okay. I've holded so much of Solana from $21. And I think I am agree with Jay that it is too late right now. For now, it is very risky for right now to buy Solana. Uh, because see, there are so many reasons here. Okay. So we are on this area where I will recommend you guys to just wait for some more time. So it will go reach 60. Okay. So this is my opinion for Solana. So just wait till 60 if it goes, or else just leave Solana if you have buy it before, uh, like on 20, 30, 40. So that is great. But for now, just leave it, Solana. Okay. And one more coin this is one more coin that sats. Okay. So sats is still doing a very good, and I have a very good projection over sats that it will move much higher. It just started 2 days back, so I'm expecting it will reach more high. Okay, till I think it will reach till around. Okay, so this is just a start. We can still hold sats and rats, the two tokens. These two tokens, first is sats and second is rats. Okay, these both BRC 20 tokens. This these both coins we can still hold this because they are doing very good, and like BRC 20 hype. Okay, most of the BRC 20 tokens are doing quite well, so we can look after these two tokens. Okay, so thanks. This is all from my side. Yeah.
Thank you so
Hello.
much. Thank you, bunny. Actually, I want to ask a question regarding the Bitcoin. So regarding the future of Bitcoin, how do you foresee it? Will there be another direct surge to 45,000? Also, in case of another downturn, what are some good suggestions and choices? Maybe, I don't know, PYTH or Magic, something like that? Really want to hear your suggestions.
So I guess I'll start. Actually, we're seeing kind of a downturn right now. I think like just in the past 5 minutes, price like fell like over $1,000. So I don't know. I guess I would say like 40K should be a good support level. So if people are like looking in the short term, I would look at the 40K level. I mean, we'll see what happens. It's like at 42,000 right now, or yeah, around 42,000. So if that doesn't hold, then I'd really be looking at like 41 and then 40K. But this just could be like a short term move, and this could be the bottom for now. But we'll just have to keep an eye on it. Yeah. Well, what do you guys think about Bitcoin right now?
Yeah, I agree with Boris. I mean, the 42K is quite a strong resistance slash support. So if the 1 hour candle closes below that level, then I think we can see a little bit more downside. But yeah, at the moment, even Ethereum, just all these coins actually just had a 15-minute massive dump. Yeah, we're all speaking how bullish we are, but it's quite ironic. But yeah, I think Bitcoin should hold this 42K level. If it doesn't, then yeah, 41 and then 40K, same as Boris. I think very similar to him. So
Yeah, I was like looking at my open positions, and then I think I had like 12 open positions. Then
Okay.
suddenly it was like 5. I'm like, what? What happened? So
Oh, I
yeah,
just
sorry.
saw it. Oh, we
Yeah,
got the
sorry.
week just now.
Yeah.
We got okay. I think we hold it because like from my trend line we got like 41K. I think this is what same like Dylan. I think this is gonna hold. I think this is gonna hold.
yeah. So we just had retail sales. News came out at 5:30. Retail
Mhm.
sales, and that was all positive for the dollar. So maybe that was just a short term. So I still think it's a short term move. We should see a bounce here. I mean, we know that the dollar and Bitcoin lately aren't really correlated, but I mean, it does. The news does affect in the short term. So this is probably just to stop out all the longs, you know.
Yes.
But I mean, overall, if you look at the high time frame, like the daily and the 4 hour, you know, most of the coins are still bullish. So, you know, you see this small little move to the downside, a lot of people get nervous and be like, oh, it's changing direction. But it's just news that came out. So I think it was just mainly based on the retail sale news.
Yeah, I think this is like the whales trying to be like throw our diamond hand. So this is
Yeah.
happen like during the bull run, like so often. So we're gonna see this kind of week so often during this
Yeah.
kind of pump. So get used to it, guys. Get used to it. Uh, yeah, don't be scared. Really, don't be scared. This is just like a liquidation grab. So I think we're gonna find. I think we're gonna find. Because like we already break the bear flag. So I think we're gonna find. And we close above. So if we can close above again, over 42K 800 something ish. So I think we're gonna be fine. Okay.
Yeah, as well. I agree with you.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
also agree with you. I also agree with you. Let's see how the market actually plays out. But I'm still very, very bullish on Bitcoin. It doesn't matter what is currently happening. I'm still currently bullish on Bitcoin. Even though if you check probably in the daytime frame, the market is still bullish on the daytime frame and all that. But currently, let's just see how it plays out. But no matter what, I'm still very bullish on Bitcoin, looking at Bitcoin getting up to 45K in the market, as long as it can still stay above the range of, if we are one thing I'm sure of and about the market is if we are still in the position of 30, if we are still in the position of 40, between the range of 42 there about 40, then we are still in a good position. Looking at there's the potential of the market to get into 42 thereabouts in the market. So I'm currently very bullish on Bitcoin.
Yeah, I agree as well.
I heard there's a rumor that before the Christmas and all the coins will keep the downward trend. So is that right?
But I don't know why. But I feel like I currently have this feeling that during the Christmas period, we might see a little bit of bull market, like sorry, not bull market, like green move in the market during the Christmas, that is on the 25th, I think a few weeks from now. I feel so, I don't know, probably after that we might see the red, we might see kind of a dump in the market. But I just feel that Christmas week we might see a kind of a green move in the market. Personally, I just have the feeling. I don't know. Let me hear from others.
Christmas, guys. I think if we can get the DXY below 102 area, let's say 101 or 100 below, I think we can get a manipulation pump during the weekend, during the holidays. So okay, I got my target like always. So below 102, that's bullish for crypto. So I've been using this method like so many times. So my price tag for crypto to be bullish, the XY have to be 102 or even below, like the below the better, like 190 or something, if that's possible. But if we close before holiday below 102, so I think we're good. The holiday we can get a pumps.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
typically it's like a Santa Claus rally that
Yeah,
happens.
Santa rally.
But I don't know how real that is. I haven't really back tested like December data, but typically what happens like on Wall Street is before people go on vacation for like
Oh.
Christmas and New Year's, they I don't know, it typically tends to be like a bullish month. So I think it's more likely to be bullish rather than bearish, especially because well, yesterday the Nasdaq and the Dow Jones, they actually made new all-time highs. So I think the trend will likely continue.
Yeah, but it depends on the cycle. This time we are on the pace two, but if let's say we are on the last year when we are like going to downtrend, so I don't think like we're gonna get like a pump. But right now we are on the pace two of the bull. I think we're gonna get a pump, and if we can see here on the daily DXY, we got a head and shoulder. I think. Do you think I can share my screen for a while so you guys
Yes.
can see it clearly? Okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna share my screen for a while. Bam, we got head and shoulder on the DXY. So let's say we take from this the head to the below. So we got like 4%, 4.61%, and from this to here. Oh, it's not enough. Sorry, my bad. My bad. Okay. So I think we can get like 97. So below this area, the one that I take 102, we can get a bullish, because I think I still remember like 2017 when we are like on the bullish Christmas. So I still remember that. Maybe like you guys remember that, Dylan or Boris?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. So I think we're gonna get below here. Okay. I think
Yeah, I
I'm
also
done.
agree. Like with the if you keep your chart there,
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
yeah, with the dollar,
Mm-hmm.
you're on the daily, right? Yeah. Once we
Yes.
close below that 102 level, it's very clear that at least 99 or 98. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
And
once we
yeah.
get a daily, once we get a daily closure below 102 on the daily, that's your support for the last couple of years. So it should hold. It should go down.
And we got a falling wage. Okay. I think it's gonna bounce like around this area for a while during the until we reach the 77, and then maybe next year we're gonna break this. So watch out next year. I think before the halving we're gonna break and then like pump. So I think Bitcoin gonna crash after that. So I think this is my method. How about you guys?
And yeah, would you like to share something? Yeah.
No,
good.
yeah, I mean, I agree with Jay. Like, I still think that, once we close below 102, we probably will get a retest. If let's just say we get down to like 100, we may see a retest of 102. And then, but I mean, overall, that trend is bearish, like in terms of the daily, like it's creating lower lows and lower highs. So I would expect price to just carry on for the dollar to go down.
Yeah, so we'll see if we can close this below 102,400. So I think we're gonna break. I think we're gonna break. We're gonna break the right shoulder. So I think we're gonna ride the down for the XY. So I think we're gonna get a bull on crypto and some stock market because the DXY is gonna crash. Because if you guys can see today, like the 5 years yield and 10 years is look bearish, guys. So yeah, this is makes sense, I think. Okay, guys.
Yes, thank you, Jay.
Okay, thank you.
I would like to share your screen and
Okay. Yeah,
some-
thank you. Okay, let me just share my screen. Okay, so let me show my bias concerning BTC first. Can we all see my screen?
Yeah.
yes, we can see
Okay,
it.
all right. First, kind of a long-term holder, so I've had this done, like the roadmap I want to follow. So because I created a market cycle with BTC, so starting from around 2019 where we had a depression phase and where we had the disbelief. So just follow the. Let me change this to a day so that we can see it properly. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna just give me some payments. Okay. All right. So we had the depression, disbelief, optimism, belief, thrill, and euphoria of the market is the disbelief phase for the next bull run, where there's a lot of assumptions that the market is going to correct and we might actually tank down to probably 12K. Well, this is the market, anything can happen. But here, this is what now we've already passed the phase of the panic phase. And currently we are at the disbelief phase where people don't even believe whether, okay, are we truly in the bull market yet, or probably we are at the entrance of the bull market. Now, will there be correction? Of course, definitely there will still be a correction. Like what my colleagues have said so far, coming down to, going to 45, drawing down, definitely we are going to see Bitcoin at that phase. But now another thing we need to also pay attention to is the MV square, MV score for BTC. Let me show us that. Currently the MV score for BTC is around 2. Let me see. This. Okay, yeah, this is it. I'm not just a technical analyst. I'm also a fundamental analyst. So I try to look into what is really happening in the market. If you take a look at this side, you will see that the MV square for BTC is currently below 2. And what that means is that there's still room for growth for BTC, and there's still more room for the price of BTC to increase. Yeah, with BTC we reduce. Of course, we are still going to have BTC probably around 1 MV square. The MVRV square for BTC will still reduce to around 1, which is likely good.
Sorry, you said Bitcoin's going to get R1.
Can we still hear me?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, now we can.
What did you say at the end there? I think
seems...
you just, yeah.
I think your internet is okay. No worries, we can wait for a little while. Hi. Was the internet is a little bit unstable? Hi, Anya.
Can you see me?
Very blurry. It's like we can't hear you right now, and also your screen. No worries. We I think we can keep going, and after your internet is stable, we can continue of your sharing.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, give me some few minutes. Let me quickly do that.
Your voice now is okay, and we'll hear it very clearly. You can keep
Okay.
sharing.
All right. Yeah. So I was sharing about the MVR risk square for BTC, and currently it is still below 2. And what that means is that there's still room for BTC to grow, right? Even though we are currently at the range of 40, it still shows that there's still a lot of price that BTC is going to get to. If you look at this for the previous bull market, we had BTC had an heavy score of around 6.97, and currently we are below 2. So, and if you look at that of 2020, we had MV score for BTC to be around, of course, Corona happened. There's a lot of circumstances that happened during that period. We have the MVR score for BTC to be around 1.35, but within 2023, within 2022 and 2023, we had the MV score for BTC to be around 0.01, and that was when the price of BTC got to around $16,000, right? And currently, BTC is currently trading for $42,000, and we have the MVR score to be at 1.58, less than two. So I believe we are still going to have a retracement, though, just a little retracement, just like my other colleague have said. We are going to have a little bit retracement, which I believe going to be the final retracement for BTC before fully launching it into the bull market. Now, going back to the chart here, going back to the chart here,
yeah.
Going back to the chart here, we are still going to have once BTC gets to around let me hide this. Once BTC gets to around 45, 47, there is a possibility that we are going to have a deep retracement before it finally starts pumping, which is going to be around the halving, after the halving event, which is the Q1 of, which is the Q1, sorry for the call, which is the Q1 of 2024. Now, what are the coins that we are likely going to hold? If you take a look at the coin market cap, for the past 7 days, we've had Hinge, Bitcoin, Osmosis, Immutable has done massively well, have performed massively well. But if we come to our platform, if you are trying to look for the tokens that you are likely going to hold for the bull run, or for the one you can easily make profit with, now nobody's paying attention to the DRC20 tokens. Now, BRC20 tokens like SAT, RAT, John talked about BISO, currently people are not paying attention to the DRC20 token, and I believe they are still going to do massively well. And if you look at this, if you look at the Unix, let me open the charts. Can we still see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Sorry for the call. Yeah, if you look at Unix, currently we only have just 2 tokens yet, and of course there's still going to be more. If you look at the Unix, and currently the 24-hour trading volume is at 1.12 million. So which shows that there's a lot of money that is being pumped into the token. So, and currently it's being traded for $0.032. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. Let's try to find out something. Just give me some minutes, okay? Yeah. Let's open this in another tab, and I'll show something. Because as we are doing both the technical, we also have to do some fundamentals about it. Unix, the RC, what was it? Unix, yeah. The next. Oh, do you know what? Let me just go through it from. Let me go through it from.
It's just Unix. So just take away the D.
Oh, okay. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. No worries.
Okay, so let's open this. Oh no, it's the price set. It's different from the one here. I just want to let's check it. Okay, so just to show us the amount of the token that are already in the circulation, just like the way we have the BRB. For BRC now, we have all the tokens to be in circulation. Can we see me?
Yes, we can.
All right, thank you. So loading. Oh, the internet's kind of slow. Sorry about that. Okay, but while that is loading, I also have another token here, which is like one like now. This is another token that we hardly really paying attention to. All these social token, it's just like it's just like the only one. So it's kind of deal with human emotions, and any token that has to do with human emotions, it's definitely going to thrive. And currently, the time I got on this token was around 0.003, and currently we've had about 4x from the current price, and currently it's being sold for $0.05. So one can also pay attention to points like that. And also, I want to say this: we can also pay attention to base ecosystem, yeah, and also advanced ecosystem. We can also pay attention to all those tokens because there are a lot of gem coins that are the narrative is not there out. People are not paying attention to it, and once people start paying attention to it, just like the BRC20 tokens, the price is going to skyrocket, and by then, the first set of people that get in will definitely amass massive profit. All right. So in conclusion, is that whether you are buying BTC now or you plan to buy it for later, the best thing is that you can always, if you're a long-time holder, just like me, the best thing is just to do DCA, which is the dollar cost averaging. But if I scalper, the best thing is just to go on a what's it called, 30 minutes time frame, take the profits, get out, then put in another token like Degens, just like my other colleagues said here about the Degens token, quick profits, get out of the market. All right. And if you look at the BRC20 tokens, the noise is there already. So those who have gotten in early are already in profit. And what will they do is they are going to exit the market while the noise is still out there. And those who are later going to get in, like, oh, BRC20 token, I put in my money there, but then something happened. So that is it on my own. And thank you very much.
Thank you, Anya. Thank you for sharing. Wow, just as we were in the midst of our discussion, Revoke released a piece of Twitter, and it said, "Do not interact with any dApps until further notice." It appears that a commonly used Web3 connector has been compromised, which allows for injection of malicious code affecting numerous dApps. So which is a warning that stop the on-chain interaction. Is this the reason for the Bitcoin drop? And are we expecting a significant downturn today or recently?
I think the Bitcoin is looking like it's holding, like it just dumped because of the news, it looks like, and the dollar is actually coming down. I think, yeah, I would want to have a look at that Twitter tweet because did that just come right now, right?
Yes, just come up now. Like 1 hour ago.
I don't think, yeah, I don't think
know.
that, yeah, I don't know.
It seems like price has recovered. It was just like a liquidity sweep or a stop loss hunt. Especially if you look at the altcoins, like there were some massive wicks, especially on Chainlink. Like I entered a position like right before the stream and I got stopped out of that one. But now it's like pretty much recovered. So I think, yeah, it looks like the market is bouncing back from whatever the news was.
Okay. Trust you guys. Crypto is the future. Okay. Let's move on in next section. Thank you for your guys sharing. It's really helpful and really informative. Okay, so now let me share my screen. Can you guys see what I'm sharing right now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think because our time we have really immersive discussion previously, so let me and our audience just pick up a few questions, not all of the questions today. Is that okay?
Sure.
Okay, so this is a question. The NFT market has recently shown signs of recovery, with the floor prices of blue chip NFT projects generally rising. Does this mean that there may also be some speculative opportunities for NFT coins such as ApeCoin? Any thoughts?
Yeah, I think the NFT market is gonna follow whatever Bitcoin and Ethereum does.
Yeah.
So like a rising tide lifts all ships, like the phrase goes. So I think, yeah, as long as Bitcoin and Ethereum keep going up, I think the NFT market is gonna go up as well. But on the same side of if Bitcoin or Ethereum have a downturn, I think the NFT market is gonna continue to suffer. But for now, I think everything looks pretty bullish.
Okay. Awesome. Dylan, do you have any thoughts of this question?
Yeah, it's true that NFT market has shown some tentative sign of recovery in a recent week. Floor price of blue chip collection like Board App and Yacht Club and CryptoPunk have seen some upward movement as well. Okay. So overall trending volume of picked up slightly right now. So however, it is still too early to say definitely whether this is a sustained trend or just a temporary blip on a prolonged bear market. So this is what I'm saying that maybe this is some manipulation over some NFT. So let's see what would be the uh, future for NFT over a long period. Let's see.
Thank you so much.
Hmm.
So when deciding to buy a coin for an NFT, what factors do you consider? Like the
I'm gonna go
NFT.
because I got my own project on NFT with my artists, but so NFT is gonna go with the meme usually because like all the NFT coins is kind of useless. So I think we can categorize NFT with memes together because like all the NFT token like apes and others like ladies, they're all useless. Okay, so when we got another like meme pumps, like really meme pumps, like all memes together is gonna pump like 30 40 60% something. So I think that's the time like NFT is gonna rise again one more time. And I don't think NFT is die right now. I think this is gonna be like an NFT because like there is a use case NFT on gaming. Okay, because I'm bullish on gaming because like a lot of gaming section that using their product on NFT. So that's why NFT is not gonna die. So that's the gaming. Okay, I think.
Yes. Yeah, I agree with you. Actually,
Okay, that was okay.
yeah, you go first.
Okay, that was actually right. I'm actually still looking at well, the gaming. I'm actually bullish on gaming. I'm actually bullish on gaming.
Yes, we Yeah, I remember last time in the previous, you always said you are really bullish on gaming.
Yeah, I'm actually bullish in gaming, but what I'm actually looking at is when it comes to NFT, we have different form of different kind of we have different NFT projects, and it's very very rare. Like for example, Ape, for example, Axix Infinity. We have actually we have Sandbox also. Currently, we can actually say okay, they are bullish, but subsequently, I can't actually write NFT off the market yet, because I know that currently when the bull market comes in, most of all these projects that looks dead will actually rise up. That is just one fact about the markets. During the bull market, most of this project that you might think that okay, it's dead, it has no value anymore. They begin to actually have value. You can see them begin to pump and all that, because most of this gaming, this actually has NFT, and it will actually do well in a longer term and all that. So looking at the Ape, looking at Axis Infinity, looking at Sandbox, looking at CryptoPunk, I think, yeah, CryptoPunk, I think so. So most of these projects will actually do well, probably in a long run. But for now, I can actually say it's actually bullish in them. Thank you.
Yes, agree with you. I think about the GameFi theme we can discuss a lot in the future, because I also look bullish on GameFi. Okay, so for the next question, do you think it is a good time to buy the dip, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Audience, Electra? So what opportunities should we seize if there is another market slump?
I think I'm gonna go first
Yes.
because I just did something harsh to my member yesterday, because like when it's dip, they just quiet. When it's profit, they just like, euphoric. Oh, I got profit. When it's dip, they're scared to buy. Why? It's cheap, it's cheap. Just buy. So altcoin daily, the twins is right. Really is right. So everyone is scared when it's dip. But when it's high, they entry, FOMOing. But when it's deep, oh, I think a lot of maybe like YouTuber, Twitter, oh, I think it's gonna be go lower, 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 and everyone is scared. So don't be scared, guys. Just buy. Just buy spots. If you don't want to get liquidate on the derivative, just buy spot. You're not gonna be liquidate. Let's say it's go lower, okay, just buy more. DCA. So I think I'm agree with altcoin daily with the twins.
Yes, agree with you. Boris, do you want to say something? I know that you want to say something of the lips.
Oh, yeah, I was gonna say, I mean, I think the dip already happened. On when was it, like 2 days ago? So and I think there's a lot of like euphoria in the market right now because everyone's anticipating the ETF. I still don't think we've had like a really substantial pullback. Honestly, I'm waiting for I know it's gonna scare some people, but I'm waiting for a pullback maybe down to the mid 30,000s. But for people who are more long term, I guess it doesn't really matter when you buy, if you really think that Bitcoin is gonna reach those like high targets like 100,000 and like whatever 500,000 and all those crazy numbers. So yeah, that's my view.
Yeah, okay. Buddy, you want to say something?
Yes, same. Like there is nothing like deep right now. Just 2 days back, I've just bought some SAT and RAT. Okay, and within 2 days, you guys know what happened. 200% or 300%. Okay, so this is still we are early on some coins, and we can still do some dip on some coins. Okay, so this is what only I wanted to say.
Thank you. Thank you for
Okay.
sharing.
Oh.
Am I hearing some people are talking?
Okay, what I want to say is concerning this. Most people, just like what my other colleagues said, most people are actually always scared of buying the when the market is deep. I do tell my community people that always buy the red. When you see the red market, buy, because you actually get it at a cheaper. You actually get it. It's more easier for you to buy the red. And even though when you're actually holding a token and probably the project is actually deep, and you actually trust the project, it's actually advisable you actually make use of DCA. Probably use $50 first. Probably if you attempt to actually use $100 before, now use $50 first. Okay, you saw a little bit of dip, use $30. You saw a little bit of dip, use the remaining $20. In the longer term, you actually see your money back and other, because it's more advisable to always buy the dip when you see when the market is in a red zone. Is always, I think 2 days ago, there about when the market was actually deep, a lot of people were scared of into the market, but that was actually the right time. Just imagine if you enter the market at that point in time. Imagine the percentage you would have gotten in just that little period of time when you went into the market. So I'll actually say this to everyone listening: always buy the red. When you see the market is red, always, that is actually when you buy. And also when you see the market is green, that is the right time to sell. That was actually the fact. When you see the market is actually green is actually showing a sign that, okay, I have actually made huge profit from the market. Then I should go off from the market to see, okay, see a form of retracement in the market before going into the market. But some people actually love buying when it's green. Okay, when it's green, you buy. But when it's red, you actually you got maybe your emotions, and you get scared and you actually sell off and other way because it's actually red. So I actually want everyone listening to me, whenever the market is red, that's the right time to actually go into the market. When it's green, you've actually made huge profits. You can actually take out your capital and actually still stay in the market to see how the market will actually play out. Thank you.
Thank you. Really impressive sharing. Thank you so much. Okay, let's move on the next question. So as shown in the chart, it seems like everyone understands this principle, but most people often cannot stick to it until the end. From a professional perspective, do you have any advice?
Yeah, I think that chart is very, very true, especially when it comes to like trading. Like my equity curve isn't like just like a straight line. It kind of, there's a lot of like ups and downs. So yeah, I think for people who are trading or investing, it's not going to be like a straight line. There's going to be downturns, like the chart on the right is showing, like the reality. That's how it's going to be from my perspective. I usually don't see people's like equity curve just go exponentially like the chart on the left shows. So that's my view. What do you guys think?
Actually, for my who is speaking?
Okay, I feel it's because of the emotions, whenever you see the price of Bitcoin dipping, you kind of think, oh, will this continue to go down forever? Or should I just take my money out of the market? It's majorly as a result of the human psychology, which emotion is a paramount factor of it. So for me, I think the best thing is if you're a day trader or you're a scalper, you shouldn't really be bothered about if you're a day trader. That's when you should be okay. Take advantage of the market. Either you can trade perpetual, which is either futures, long or short. But if you're an holder, you shouldn't really be bothered about the projects, especially when you know that okay, you are holding the right project. When I mean you are holding the right project, you've done your research about it, you know that okay, this project is a confirmed project. For example, you holding ETH, so you shouldn't be bothered whether the market is going down or not if you're a holder. But if you're a trader, then there's a place of stop loss when the market is going down, if it's not going into your direction. So there's a place of stop loss. So the markets won't go up forever, and also the markets won't go down forever, only if it's a rug pull project. that's when the market is going down. But if it's not a rug pull project, the market will go down forever. So it is expected to happen. So that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Ayan.
Yeah, thank you so much, bro, for that. Thank you for that explanation. You're actually right. I actually followed my colleague explanation. Now you can see it. We have expectation, we have reality. Actually, a lot of people expect, for example, probably you give a signal, you give okay, buy this token, you expect a single print or a single pump. It actually don't happen that way when looking at the market. But if you actually considering now, you have to consider the market. You understand? Okay, what kind of strategy are you making use of in going to the market? Now, if you're actually a long-term holder, you do not actually need to care about probably if the market is going up or is going down. You have your targets that you actually probably you have a target that, okay, just imagine you actually bought Bitcoin when it was around 19 and you were wondering and it came down. Well, it got 30 and it actually came down back to 20 and you're kind of scared, you let up the market. Currently is actually around 40, 42 plus thereabouts in the market. You can see how the market actually plays out. So in a longer term, if you're actually looking at holding the market for a longer time, you don't actually be worried probably is in an uptrend. As far the price actually has a good utility, because I do tell people before you go into the market to invest into any project, you have to consider, okay, what is a project really about? Does it have a very good utility? Does it have a good use case? What are the people behind the project? What is the community for the project? So all those factors you need to actually put in check. You need to put it in place before going into any project to invest. For example, if probably you are a day trader and all that, then you have to consider, okay, when the market gets to probably you're longing or you're shorting and all that. But if you're actually holding for a long period of time, you don't care about the short. You're clear. All you're actually concerned about is the grain and all that. So that is just so actually the expectation, the reality is actually more visible about on the market. But if you're actually holding for a long period of time, then you need to care less about what is actually happening in the market and just focus on where you're actually going to. Thank you.
Thank you, John. Yes. I think people who bought Bitcoin when the price was 800 and most of them cannot hold them till today or even 20K. So back to today, what's the end? People cannot hold it forever because they are not professional trader. Any suggestions?
I'm gonna go first. I still got my Bitcoin from I think $180. So yeah, I was 20, I think that was my university days. So I was 24 years old. I'm 38 right now, so it's over a decade right now. So I still got it until now. Because because we believe in the project. So if you not believe, I think people gonna scare. Okay. I still remember when 2015 yeah, that's when the people got dark because like there is like one coins and some it's like FTX, but it's like more crazy things like one coins and what is that? BitConnect. So I think people start to like disbelief with Bitcoin at that time, but I don't know. I still believe until now. So that's why like I still got like $180, 180, yeah, 181. So for one it's $180. So yeah, I still got it until now. Like just not much, but I still got it until now when I was like, so just believe it, guys. If let's say you guys bought it around like 20K, 30K, so just keep it. Just keep it, guys. So because like this is gonna be like the price, I think we don't know like how high we can go. So just keep it. So how you guys thought?
Yeah, I'll just say, if you really believe in something and you want to hold it, just, put it in a hardware wallet and just forget about it. Like don't try not to keep your funds on an exchange where you can just click the sell button. It's better to just move it to your own wallet or to a hardware wallet, and that way you won't get that emotional feeling to sell when the market dips. So that would be my advice.
Yes. to have faith on it and be
Yeah.
diamond hand.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. I think sets and also already is so popular recently. So let's move on to this question. Sets has been listed on the Binance and bringing a strong boost to the BRC20 market. And however, does the listing of these popular tokens on large stacks mean that selling pressure is beginning to increase? Is there a risk of new users holding sets? Boris, why are you smiling?
No, I'm talking to Dylan because he got disconnected, and Sats is like one of the coins he's been talking about in the past couple of weeks. So I wish his Wi-Fi would come back so he could talk about it. But I guess I'll just share my opinion. So yeah, usually when coins get listed on exchanges, that generates sell pressure usually. So I would say, yeah, there's definitely some sell pressure from coins like Sats and others that are being listed on centralized exchanges. However, I'm not sure, but I think it's still rallying the past couple of weeks. So doesn't necessarily mean that price will go down, but it's definitely a sign that that price could go down if a project gets listed on a centralized exchange.
Yeah. Boris, would you recommend people buying sets right now?
I haven't really analyzed the chart, so I can't say right now. I'd have to like analyze the chart and then I can give my view. I honestly don't know because I haven't looked at the chart, but I don't know. Jay, do you have an opinion? Because I think you were talking about it.
Yeah, I got it. So it's like this, guys. It's like a season when we are on the bear season. I think I'm gonna short it right away because it's listing on Binance. So I still remember when Pepe came last year, and I'm shorting from the top when it's listing on Binance. I still remember that very well till now. But right now we are on we can tell a bull session. So I don't think it's good to short this thing because like we don't know like how high.
Yeah.
So depends of the season. So let's say like you're on the summer, you're not gonna wear like like a long sleeve or something like that. It's going to be hot, right? So right now we have to adjust. We are on the bull right now, so I'm not gonna short. So I think I'm gonna long this, but we have to be clever, guys, because like this is a useless coin, so we have to be clever. Like the dips, maybe we can go buy, but this is still high risk. But I'm not gonna short this time. But so this is my target to sats. I'm gonna long it for sure, but not right now. But right now, on the 12th hour, we got like a impulsive third wave on the elite wave, and I'm gonna wait for the pullback on the 12th hour for the fourth wave, and after that I'm gonna ride the fifth wave on the 12th hour. So maybe we can go around like oh my god, so many zeros, like 5 zeros and 1, maybe like around that. So that's my opinion. How you guys like JohnLee and Bunny and Ayan?
Well, I actually bought it before it got listed on Binance. I actually got it on another platform, and I was actually expecting that pump, and it actually did really well. It actually did really well. And even though the pump I was actually expecting when it got to Binance, I didn't actually see that strong pump. It pumped a little, but you know that most investors will actually wait for, they won't actually want to buy at the top. They'll actually wait for the market to come down a little bit before they actually go into the market to actually buy. I've actually taken out my profit. I've taken out my capital with some profit, but I'm still holding it. And we can't actually say how far it's actually SAT is actually going to go. But looking at the BLC token, it actually has potentials of doing well. Now, this token, I'm actually looking at it still getting to one. It's currently at if I can remember. It's still currently at 0.0005. Sorry, 6. Wow, it's still 0.006. But I'm still expecting it to get to cancel the zeros, the 9, and also get to 1 and other probably during the bull market and other. But I still know it actually has potential of still doing well, and it's actually a good buy, but it's still actually going to dip. I still going to see a little bit of dip. So, but it's actually a good project to actually look out for.
Thank you so much. Actually, I'd like to share my perspective because recently a lot of person asked me because they didn't buy SAT or already before and they feel so regrets. So let me conclude this live session with a within a China culture. So in Chinese culture, there's an ancient saying which is 知行合一, which means the unity of knowledge and action. It suggests that only when understanding reaches a certain level can one take action without any regrets or remorse. So that's why I always recommend people to listen our live stream, because every time I believe people and our audience can learn a lot from our knowledgeable and professional guests. So thank you so much for your sharing today. And we are really looking forward to the next time sharing. Thank you, Boris, Bunny, John, Jay, and Aaron. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, it was a pleasure.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank
It
you,
was
Jay.
amazing
Yeah, everyone.
live stream. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So see you next time.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Bye.
See you guys
You
next week, I guess. See ya.
Yeah.